Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of Merlot on the Mountain. I hope everybody's having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about all the new things that's going on. We've got faucets in place, we've got light switches, we've got lighting in place. So let's go take a look. Alright, so we're headed out to the cottage today. There's a lot of ways to get there. One of our favorite ways is the Blue Ridge Parkway. There's not a lot of traffic. If you're coming from New York or you're coming from LA, it's going to feel like culture shock. Real quick, the final color on the shake on the top, we weren't sure which way it was going to go, but it ended up being a dark color. And one thing to note, we need to get our lawn care service going. What do y'all think? This is kind of the Wild West over here for weeds and plants. Good times, good times. All right, so here we have all of the doors suspended and they're getting the final coats on them to where they're painted perfectly. All of the walls had a fresh paint coat on them, as well as all of the trim, of course, has been painted. So I feel like they've got a really good solid final coat. The tile in the master shower has got a silver marble tone to it. There's some aluminum trim around some of these pieces. Up there, around the window, same thing. There's an aluminum trim, kind of hard to see right now with the backlight. But we really like this color. Some paper there, so you can't see too well, but let's go ahead and lift it up. So there's no snakes. No snakes. That's the bottom. I don't know, what do y'all think? I think the shower turned out really good. All right, they got the lights installed as well.
And also we got lights inside of the fans.
Yep, we got indoor lights.
But and we also have light switches for people.
They don't work.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we need to set up a hamster wheel so Jet can get to running. There's our ceiling fans. They are kind of similar color to the floor. All right, Jet's telling me to come look. Let's go look over here. Your dining room light. Edith, it's so funny. And Wendy, you were thinking about something for these, for the island lights here. What are you thinking?
I'm just going to change out the globes.
Change out the globes. You said Edison bulbs or something. All right, and in the laundry room, we've got the water heater installed. Check it out though, this is a tankless water heater. This is our first tankless water heater. I'm very excited about this one. Endless hot water. So any guest that's coming out here, you'll have lots of hot water. All right, as we go into the master, again, same ceiling fan. Doesn't look, we didn't really choose anything fancy for different rooms. They're all just normal. Got the light switches in, got our TV plugs. Hey, there's a return air right here in the master. And there's the closet. In the master bathroom, they did get the faucets in. That's our style. Going with that faucet right there, just simple, nothing fancy, everybody. And then the lights for the top. Got two vanity lights. Shower faucet and shower head is also in. And finally the toilets. Got the toilets in too. Right, here we are in the front room. Same thing, got the same ceiling fan. They've also got the smoke detectors in, that's cool. Got them covered. And yep, got the TV light switches there. All right, let's see, what do we have in this closet here? Nothing. Any lights in here? Nope, no lights. Lightless closets. All right. And then finally for the small bathroom, we've got the same thing. We've got the shower installed and the same light. Finally, the faucet. All right, that's all we have for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, as always, and we'll catch you next time.